We want to look at hypotonic hydration, the third disorder of water balance. In hypotonic hydration, this is usually going to result in decreased sodium. Okay, sodium is going to be on the outside of the cell. If you remember, anytime we look at an action potential, we always draw sodium on the outside, potassium on the inside. So your outside, your extracellular fluids are going to have mainly sodium in them, while your intracellular fluid is going to be potassium, or going to have high levels of potassium. So if you look at hypotonic hydration, you lose some of these little red dots here. Let's see if we can do this. You lose some of these little molecules of sodium, which is going to make this in the plasma, it will be less concentrated. How does water move? Water moves by osmosis. So if your plasma is less concentrated, how is water going to move then? Water is going to move, let's do a yellow color. Water is going to move into the interstitial space. And from the interstitial space, it's going to be able to go by osmosis again inside of the cell. So what are the consequences of hypotonic hydration? With hypotonic hydration, you lose the sodium. You're losing your ions in the plasma in the interstitial space so that water moves by osmosis into the cell. And this is going to basically what I would say, it waters down the cell, and it's called electrolyte dilution. And what is that going to basically give you? It gives you a hypotonic environment in the cell. And I know let me clarify that. It's a hypotonic environment to what is normal in the cell. It's not a hypotonic environment compared to the plasma in the interstitial space. It's going to be an isotonic environment comparing all three of these. It's an isotonic, but it's a hypotonic environment in the cell compared to what is normal. Okay, the symptoms for this are you have nausea, vomiting. This is why whenever you're in second grade and you came out from sweating from recess and stuff, and your teacher would say, don't drink too much water at the water fountain. This is the reason why. Although I don't really think that you would have to worry about it as much as what your teacher did. Muscular cramping and cerebral edema. So that's hypotonic hydration, and that ends the three disorders of water balance.